Abi, is NEPA in your house right now? Of course not. Africa is about to experience the biggest wave of highly profitable businesses in 2026. And only the people who will start out early will become the next millionaires. So if you've been looking for that sign, that big sign to start your business, this is it. Because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 massively profitable businesses that will explore in 2026 in Africa, including that one business that you almost need zero capital to start out. Hi! If this is your first time on my channel, you're highly welcome. On this channel, we talk about everything making money from the online space, excluding Ponzi schemes. So if these are the kind of content you're interested in, please click on the like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you will not miss out on any of our money-making videos. The first business we're going to talk about today is AI educator. Teach Africans how to use AI. See, before we just had the internet, and then we had social media, and now we have AI. And AI has come to stay. Businesses, students, creators, entrepreneurs, and everyone is looking for how to use AI. They want to learn how to use AI, but they do not know exactly where to start and the kind of prompts they can use, because a lot of people know about Sora, about ChatGPT, and a lot more, but they do not know the kind of prompts to give that will give them the best result. So this is where you come in and you save the day as an AI educator. See, if you become an AI educator, there are a lot of things you can do. You can actually teach students on how to get their assignment done with AI. You can also teach creators on how to use AI to get the best results from AI platforms like ChatGPT, Sora, and a lot more. You can also teach business people on how to use AI to run data analytics and a lot more. See, AI is still very new in Africa, making this one of the fastest growing businesses in 2026. And you can offer things like online courses, one-on-one courses, you can offer webinars, and you can offer seminars on how to use AI. And I know a lot of you will be like, so Claudia, how can I start up? What exactly do I need to do to learn this AI so that I can start teaching people? Obviously, you cannot start teaching people what you don't know. Google is offering free AI courses with certificates that you can start learning today, and then you can take like 2 months, 3 months, you learn the basics of AI and you start teaching people. One thing all of you should know is the best way for you to understand anything is by practicals. You can start up with courses like AI for beginners. I mean, just start up something. The more you teach, the more you get more knowledge about AI. So if this is what you want to start up right now, please let me know on the comment section, and do not forget, click on the like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know if this is one of the businesses you want to start out in 2026. The second business that we'll explore in 2026 is solar sales and installation, what I call the new millionaire maker. Say, this business, if you're in the diasporas and you're looking for a business to invest in Africa, this one will make you a millionaire, will make you lots of money. And even if you're in Africa and you're looking for a business and you have the funds, then you can also do this business. See, solar is the future of Africa. Whether you're in Nigeria, in Uganda, South Africa, Cameroon, Kenya, Ghana, we all are facing the issue with electricity. So solar is the future of Africa. And if you invest in this business right now, you would explore in 2026 and become the next millionaire. Now, let me tell you something. Just like I always say, if you do not have the funds to start solar sales, you can actually make a business plan and share with people that are in the diasporas or people that you know that have the capital to do this. You can be the brain behind the business, and then there is someone who is funding this business, as well as there is someone who is doing the installation. Because I know there are a lot of you with the brains, but you do not have that finance, and you also do not have the skills in that. So You can make a business plan, share with an investor. If the person invests, then you can get someone who can do the installations for you. If you check right now in Lagos, Nigeria, you would see that 90% of the population, everyone is getting into solar. Because, my darlings, right now I am recording this video with solar. Abi, is NEPA in your house right now? Of course not. So this is a business that will explore in 2026. And if you start right now, you would become the next millionaire. The third business that we'll explore in 2026 is natural hair salon, what I call the untapped gold mile. If you're in Lagos right now and you're one of those who has a natural hair, you would know what it takes for you to treat your natural hair or to get a salon that is specialized on treating natural hair. That is why I know a lot of people will be like, no, Claudia, if you niche down to natural hair, I don't think you will make a lot of money. No. We have little or no salons right here in Africa that are specifically for natural hair. And a lot of people are getting out of relaxers. If you check right now, a lot of people want to keep their natural hairs, women as well as men as well as kids. And my darlings, we love our natural afro hair. But the only problem we have is we do not have a salon that will actually be able to take care of our hairs. So right now, if you niche out to natural hair salon, take your time, learn the skills, learn exactly how to treat the natural hair, and come to thank me in the comment section. Because I remember one of my friends got into Lagos from Cameroon, and the person was like, Claudia, is there a natural hair salon? I was like, no, but I can ask the salons I've been going to. And yes, I asked, and they were like, no, we can do it, we can do it. And my darlings, it was premium tears at the end because the breakage she had on her hair and all that. And that's what a lot of people are going through, because they actually want this natural hair, but they don't have the source or someone that is going to handle their natural hair. So this is actually an untapped gold mine that if you get into this, 2026 is going to be your turning point. So let me see your comments on the comment section saying, Claudia, thank you for this eye opener. If you're right there watching me and you haven't yet clicked on that like and subscribe, please, what are you waiting for? Do that. Thank you. It's going to help me to rank high in Google's search engine as well as YouTube. Thank you. The fourth business that we'll explore in 2026 is a business that is after my heart. Now, the reason I say this is after my heart, I actually wanted to save this one as last, but I'm just inspired right now to talk about it. Car wash. Now, a lot of you will be like, Claudia, car wash? Now, let me tell you about the car wash before you judge me. So don't screw out, because this one, you would be marveled. I actually had a student who was like, he wants to start a business. He's looking for a job. He first of all started, he needed a job. Now, I told him I don't have a job to offer. I don't have anyone who has a job who is looking for, is it an employee? So I just went ahead to say, can I advise you just like I advise my audience, my students and all that on what you can start up with? A lot of us right now, especially from 35 to 19, everyone wants to be a content creator. But the truth is, even if you're a content creator, breaking into this content creation journey is not easy. So you must find something at the side. That is why you hear a lot of content creators, they have 1,000,001 jobs that they do. So he wanted to do content creation. I was like, I'm going to give you an advice that will be better for you. You can do content creation, but this one should be your main hustle. Now, I told him to get into car wash, and this guy was like, no, I'm not going to do that. Well, I insisted, convinced him, and I actually gave him some money to start. Say, this particular business, car wash, you need almost zero capital to start out. What did I give him? I gave him money for detergent, and I gave him money for buckets and some hand racks, which that was almost 8,000, right? It was almost 8,000 naira, but I gave him 10,000. So I gave him this money, and I told him how he could navigate the market. Now, what he did was he went to the neighboring estates, from one estate to the other, and he would be like, he would tell the security, I want to see the manager. Can I be washing the cars? And they are paying me. And lo and behold, I actually talked to my own estate manager for him, and the manager was like, okay, why don't you first of all come for the first week? You can come 2 or 3 times, you wash the car for free, and then I will tell the people who wake up in the morning, oh, this person, do you like as clean as your car is? When the person says yes, he'll be like, okay, this person came around to look for a job and says he can be doing this for this. And I told him, do not be extravagant. Tell them a very little amount of money that will make up maybe for your soap and a little bit of your time. And with time, when you've gained ground, you can now increase the pricing. Lo and behold, he had 5 cars to do. Just from his first week, he had 5 cars. And each car for a week, they were paying him 3,000 naira. Times the 5 cars, how much is he making? Now, he started doing this from each estate to the other. He just goes there. And right now, he is not even the person washing the cars. He has over 12 people that are working with him. And he has over, I can't really remember the figures, but he told me he has about 10 different estates that these people are washing their cars. And this car wash is not every day. So what am I saying? If you cannot wash the car, but you have the money and you have this knowledge I've told you right now, all you have to do is to use your WhatsApp. I mean, take your time. You can use Canva. Canva is free. You can create backdrops, flyers, and advertise to people that you have this service you are to offer, or you can go the same route this my student went through. Go to estates, do the same things he did, and then if you start from one, keep going and keep going. With time, you will have people that will be doing this work for you. And this guy told me that, man, if I tell you that I make up to $200 as profit after paying all my staff, you won't believe me. From what? Just listening to my YouTube channel. Guys, you guys just need to tell me in the comment section. Thank you. I'm actually waiting for him because he has to see this video and he has to say it in the comment section that he is the one who benefited from the knowledge I gave him without sharing. And I thought of it. Why haven't I told my community about this? You guys should take this right now. I know we've talked about cleaning, right? This is another great opportunity and you can break into it as fast as possible. So what you'll be offering is a mobile car wash. You don't need to rent a place, pay Lagos state government or your state government or some dues, this and that, to own a car wash. You're mobile. You just walk there, you do your work, you get your money, and you get home. So this one, you need almost zero capital to start out. For those of you who want to start out with this business, if you're in this town, this is actually a big giveaway I'm giving you guys for being so supportive of my channel, right? So if you're in Lagos, Nigeria, if you're in Cameroon, Yaoundé, Douala, these 3 states, Nigeria and in Cameroon, let me know in the comment section if you want to start out with this. And I'm going to help you with 1, support you with the capital to start out. 2, I'm going to contact people that you can actually reach out to and tell them you want to be a mobile car wash for their business or for their company. Love you guys so much. I'm waiting for you on the comment section. The 5th business that we'll actually explore in 2026 is online education, specifically digital products, what I call the unlimited online income. Guys, were you expecting me to get out of this video without talking about digital products? No way, because the highest way I've been able to make money from the online space is selling digital products. And the platform that actually made me a lot of this money is Seller. Yes, I've been able to sell above 1 million naira on Seller each month since I started. See, I've talked about digital products a lot and I keep insisting on it because it's an easy way for you to earn passive income. You actually create this digital product once and you can sell over and over and over again. Now, this is my seller's account and I have this digital products right there, right? If I take you to all these platforms, you realize that the same digital products I have right here on Seller, I have it right there on Sefani, I also have it on Gumroad. What am I simply trying to say? It's an easy way to earn money passively from the online space, especially if you create a digital product that is forever green. And I do not want you guys to miss out on this. I have created amazing videos on how you can get started creating your digital products and the platforms you can sell. Now, I'm going to link the videos on this one right here and also the comment section and also on the description. So you can go there, click and learn how you can get started creating and selling your digital products. Like I'm telling you right now, in September, I was able to make above 1 million from selling digital products that I use AI to create, and for less than 2 hours. I mean, one digital product for less than 2 hours, and I was able to sell for a month. September, 1 million. September, October, that was almost 1.5 because it 1.3 something. And then here we are, November, running. So please, whatever you do, these are 5 amazing businesses that will explore in 2026, and you need to start out right now. Select any of them, or you can take 2, 3, or even 5 of them depending on your availability. Start these businesses and let me know on the comment section if you need help in any way. If you start out with digital products and you need help, these videos are here. You can go to my self-funding account. I'm going to link it right there, or my seller's account, and you can buy any of my books right there, my ebooks, and read on how you can go ahead with whatever you decide to do. I really love you all, and I want you guys to explore this. I do not want my community to be dulling. No, 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 no. You guys don't need to be the last. I bring in premium information right here so that you all can benefit and take the lead before people start flogging into this. You guys remember when I talked about palm oil business? Now you know the amount of students that queue into this. Those of you who are coming from my WhatsApp channel, right? You know how many students testify as to, oh, I used your method, I started making this and making that. Use this opportunity before people take advantage and you miss out when you were in my community and I actually made a video for you. These businesses are already gaining momentum in Africa, and they will explore in 2026. And see, these businesses are not only for the people who are resident in Africa. No, if you're in the diasporas, you can still invest in these businesses in Africa, even right there where you are in the diasporas. So please take advantage right now. If you love the video so far and you want to get started with any of these businesses, go down to the comment section and type it right there. I am ready. When I see that, I will know that you guys love the video, you guys are ready to get started, and you want just a push ahead. Or you know another business that will explore in 2026, let us know in the comment section. Remember, this community is to help each other. None of us knows more than the other. So if you have a business and you know that business is exploring and will explore in 2026, let us also know in the comment section. I am ready. Are you ready? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you all for watching till the end. Love you all, and do not forget to watch other videos on our channel. We have above 300 videos on how you can make money from the online space, excluding Ponzi scheme. So go through the video, watch them. If you have any questions, any worry, I'll be right here to always show up and respond to your questions and to your worries. Until next time, stay blessed.